Yo, what's up, my scratcher? Now we are going to do the a junior jumbo box from ticket number 42 to 46. Let's check it out, guys. Nope. Winning number 6. Okay. We go back with that. We get 2 6 over there. Deuce. Nope. At least we get $2 back or $5 spent, which is very good. Okay, only one number mat. Okay, dollar underneath. Yep, I got 40% profit and 40% money back. Better than nothing. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.